Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice logarithm equations? We have log of this different base. Here is base 2 and here is base 3. So we consider the solution from here. So the first thing we must know is, let's consider this rule. Suppose we have log A base B. So this is equals log A divided by log B. So here is the first rule we are going to apply here. So by substituting, we have log x divided by log 2 plus log x divided by log 3 equals 5. Then let's factor out log x. By taking out log x, we have this as 1 divided by log 2 plus 1 divided by log 3 equals 5. So by this, we find the LCM in the bracket. We have this as, the LCM here is log 2 multiplied by log 3. So by cross this, we are going to multiply this with this and multiply this with this. So here we have log 3 plus log 2 equals 5. Then, so we have an importance law here. So we have log 3 plus log 2. We consider this as log 3 times 2, which is log 6 divided by, but there is no rule like this. We have to leave this one as it is. So here is log 2 multiplied by log 3 equals 5. Then suppose we cross multiply, we multiply this with this. So here is log x multiplied by log 6 equals 5 multiplied by log 2 multiplied by log 3. Then let's divide both sides by log 6. So by dividing both sides by log 6, we have log 6 cancelled log 6 here. Then we have log x equals 5 multiplied by log 2 multiplied by log 3 divided by log 6. So at this stage, we are going to start this, and there are two cases here for getting the solutions. So we can get the solution here using two cases. Let's see case 1. So for the first case, suppose I divide both sides by log 3 here. Here we have log x divided by log 3 equals 5 multiplied by log 2 divided by log 6. From the rule I applied above, so log x divided by log 3, we can also consider it as log x base 3 equals, and also this, we can write this as 5 multiplied by log 2 base 6. So here we have an importance law here as well. Suppose we have log x base m equals y. So this implies that our x here equals m raised to the power of y. So here is what we have. Then when we apply it here, it means this 3 will raise to the power of this, and we get the value of x equals 3 raised to power of 5 multiplied by log 2 base 6, which we can switch this one by rule of indices. A raised to power m multiplied by n, this is equal to a raised to power n raised to power of m, or any of the two. Then by applying it here, we have this as x equals 3 raised to power of 5, then all raised to power of log 2 base 6, and 3 raised to power 5, this is given as 243, then raised to power of log 2 base 6. So this is the first answer to this problem. And let's consider the second case as it was said earlier. As for the second case, so this time around I'm going to divide both sides by log 2. So by dividing both sides by log 2, we have this as log x divided by log 2 equals 5 multiplied by log 3 divided by log 6. So applying the law above, we have log x base 2 equals 5 multiplied by log 3 base 6. Then, so we still consider same law, as we are going to make this as x, then x will be equals to, then 2 we raise to power of this as 2 raised to power of 5 multiplied by log 3 base 6. And when we switch this, we have x equals, this 2 will be raised to power of 5, then all raised to power of log 3 base 6. So therefore 2 to the power of 5 here, so this gives us 32, then 32 we raise to power of log 3 base 6. So here is the second answer to this problem. So the first answer we get is 243 raised to power of log 2 base 6, and these two answers are the solutions to this problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.